You're ready to schedule your own Zoom meeting. This can be done from the Zoom web portal, the Zoom desktop application, and through calendar extensions. We'll cover the first two methods in this video. From your Zoom web portal, go to Meetings, then choose Schedule a Meeting. You can think of the topic like the meeting's title. Keep it short and simple. Candidate interview, for example. Optionally, add details in the description box. Next, choose the date and time of your meeting, and after that, the duration, which you can select in 15-minute increments from the drop-down menu. The time zone will default to whatever you've chosen in your profile, but can be changed here if you'd like. Most calendars will adjust the time zone for those you invite if theirs differs from yours. If this will be a recurring meeting, check the box to reveal additional options such as the cadence of the recurrence, when it ends, etc. As you can see, the options change depending on your initial choices. Next, some Zoom account types can require registration. If this box is checked, those you invite will need to register with their email, name, and other optional questions. If you gave the meeting a description, it will also appear on the required registration page. This is less common, but may be selected when the host would like to gather participant data or a higher level of security is desired. A meeting ID is a number used to create a unique invitation link. It can be randomly generated, or you can use your personal meeting ID or PMI, which always stays the same. Because anyone who has the information may be able to get into the meeting, be sure not to share either number widely or with those you don't intend to invite. Moving on, we have a few powerful security options. A passcode is a customizable set of 10 characters that users must have in order to join the meeting. A waiting room places all attendees in a virtual room until the host allows them in. Require authentication to join requires that users are signed into a Zoom account before joining, or as an added layer, sign into Zoom through a specific domain or group. Users with certain account types may also see encryption options here. In the next section, select whether you want the host and participants to begin the meeting with their videos turned on or off. Unless additional settings are selected, hosts and participants will be able to start and stop their videos at any time during the meeting. Following this, you'll see audio options. Select if participants can join using their computer's audio, telephone audio, or both. Next, we have a series of meeting options. Note that these are specific to the meeting currently being scheduled. If you wish to change your defaults or access additional settings, head over to your Account Settings menu. Allow participants to join anytime lets participants join before the host has joined the meeting. Mute participants upon entry is especially helpful for minimizing disruptions to large meetings. If you have a certain account type and have configured the option in your account settings, add watermark that identifies the viewing participant stamps the viewer's email address across a shared screen. This is ideal to use when confidential information is being shared. Breakout Room Pre-Assign allows you to group participants ahead of the meeting. You can create groups from participants' email addresses or a CSV file. Automatically Record Meeting initiates a recording when you start the meeting. This can also be done manually at any point after the meeting starts. If you have a certain account type, enable additional data center regions for this meeting improves the connection for participants joining from another region. And finally, approve or block entry for users from specific countries or regions. This is helpful for optimizing the meeting connection or as an added security measure. We're almost there. Next, licensed users within the same account will see the option to assign alternative hosts for the meeting. This is particularly helpful if you need someone to start the meeting for you or you're scheduling the meeting for someone else. And that's it. Once you press save, your meeting is officially scheduled. From this screen, you may take steps to add the meeting to the calendar of your choice if you have one, and access the invitation details. If ever you need to retrieve this information or modify the meeting before it starts, simply return to the web portal, click Meetings, and you'll be presented with buttons to start, edit, or delete the meeting. You can save your favorite meeting settings as a template. Click Edit, then scroll to the bottom and choose Save as Template. Find and use it anytime in Meetings, Meeting Templates. Note that if there are any settings or options from this demo that you don't see or recognize in your own web portal, this is because you have a different role, account type, settings, or permissions. Scheduling Zoom meetings in the Zoom desktop app is very similar to scheduling within the web portal. From the home screen, click Schedule. A dialog box of options will appear. All of these options are the same as we covered in the first part of the video, with just a few exceptions. First, there's no description field in the desktop app, as it's meant to be an even faster experience. Second, you can add the meeting to your device's calendar or other calendars during scheduling with the click of a button. Additionally, here the meeting options are found within the collapsible Advanced Options section. Lastly, you can't require registration here. You've got to do that in the web portal.